Well, hi there, pluckers. Arvosaur Fingers back to you again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This is part 2 of my lessons on Rolling Stoned Again from Taylor McCall. In part 1 we covered the tuning of the guitar and also the intro section. In this part 2 we're going to do the rest of the song, which is basically how to play a verse and how to play a chorus. Okay. And then basically you've got everything, all the parts you need to play the song. So, coming out of the intro, okay, so coming out of the intro from that G bit, F major 7th to A minor. Tell me, Relevator, why do I exist? God is my witness, I hate it seeing it like this. Alright, it's very similar to the verse, okay? So, and you come out of that A minor at the intro, you build up, during the first line of the verse, you build it up from A minor to C, where it goes, tell me, Relevator, so it's A minor, tell me, and then you put that from the A minor, keep the first finger where it is, first fret, second string, but put your second finger on that second fret of the 5th string and into the C chord. So it's tell me, Relevator, why do I exist? Then in the second line it's going the other way, it's going C, and then the second on the bottom, the 5th string, and then to the A minor. So it's a progression, and then on the second line it's, okay, so it's tell me, Relevator, why do I exist? God is my witness. So that's witness, where it goes the third line, where it goes, if God is my witness, on the witness, you do that G, exactly the same as it was in the intro, the G to the C, back to the G, down, 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 right, down, down, up, down, down, okay, got that? So, from the beginning, from the other verse, tell me, Relevator, why do I exist? God is my witness. Now the final line is that F major 7th again that we played in the intro. Open top E string with an F chord with a top E string open. And again, the initial strike on the F major 7th is that open 3rd string hammering into the 2nd fret. So, right? So, again, tell me, Relevator, why do I exist? God is my witness, I hate him seeing me like this. And then it's the same again for the second verse, staring at the ceiling, been crawling up the wall, so I left him for feeling. Now I feel nothing at all. There's nothing like strong stuff. Now we're going into the first line of the chorus, and it's exactly the same build up, the A minor to the second on the 5th to the C chord, right? And so it's, I feel nothing at all. There's nothing like strong stuff, those better medicine. And again, it's the run down on the second line. There's no better medicine tell you when I've had enough. Now, on the chorus, although it goes to the G, you don't do the, okay, you just stay on the G. okay, so from the beginning of the chorus, there's nothing like strong stuff, there's no better medicine. I tell you when I've had enough of drowning in your love. Now, in your love is the F major 7th again. I tend to do the hammer on into when you first start strumming it. And then at this time, instead of going to the A minor, you go to the C. So from the beginning, there's nothing like strong stuff, there's no better medicine. Tell you when I've had enough, I'm drowning in your love. Tell me where the hell you been. Okay, so final. After the G, you go to this. You go to the F major 7th, then you go to the C. You don't go to the A minor like you do in the verse. Okay. Right. So let's just do that again. We'll do that slowly. There's nothing like strong stuff. There's no better medicine. Tell you when I've had enough of drowning in your love. Tell me where the hell you been. Right? I hear you on the radio. Now radio is the F major 7th again. You can hammer into it if you like. I don't think he does on the actual when he plays the this chorus bit, but you can do. It's just very nice to do that. Okay, so from the C, tell me where you hell you been. Hear you on the radio, feel you in the shape I'm in. A minor on shape, and shape I'm in. Now it doesn't matter G where you go. I'm going F major 7th down the slope. I'm rolling C, stoned again. And there's your chorus. Okay, so we'll just do verse 2 and we'll do the whole chorus. Okay, so here we go. Staring at the ceiling, been crawling up the wall. So I left him for the feeling. Now I feel nothing at all. Chorus. So there's nothing like strong stuff. There's no better medicine. I tell you when I've had enough of drowning in your love. Tell me where the hell you been. I hear you in the radio, tripped up at the shape I'm in. Now it doesn't matter where you go, I'm going down in smoke, I'm rolling so again. Okay, right then boys and girls, coming out of the first chorus, I would do a bar of C and then stop briefly. So it goes like, I'm going down in smoke, I'm rolling stone again. I'm fighting all my demons. Bit of a pause and then go into verse 3. And that plays exactly the same way as verse 1 and 2. You do that build up, fighting all my demons, exactly the same. Though they never seem to fall. Exactly the same as verse 1 and verse 2, okay, with different words. Following verse 3, you play another chorus, exactly the same as chorus 1, okay. Coming out of the second chorus, you play the intro again as the instrumental, okay. So you come out of the chorus, going, the second chorus going, I'm going down in smoke, I'm rolling stone again. Okay, so that's what I would suggest. You just do, coming out the second chorus, you just work your way into the intro again. Okay, repeat the intro, and then basically the outro is another chorus. Okay, so you come out of the chorus and you're on the second chorus. You come out and do the guitar instrumental intro, and you end up on the A minor, and you just go into another chorus. Oh, there's nothing like strong stuff, etc., etc. And you just finish the last chorus. I think it's best if you finish on an A minor rather than a C. So you come out of that going down in smoke, I'm rolling stone again. You can by all means finish on the C chord. Down in smoke, I'm rolling stone again. I think it's more dramatic if you finish on the minor. I'm thinking down in smoke, I'm rolling stone again. Whichever, A minor or C, and that's the end of the song. Okay? Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for